In the previous video, we looked at the development of a hexagonal base pyramid that was cut at an angle. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we draw the line of intersection that is formed when two pipes of different diameters intersect. The question is shown on the left on the screen. And in today's video, we'll be drawing a line of intersection that will be formed. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to draw the circle for the plan, all right? Then we're going to draw the other cylinder in the plan view. All right, so that's our plan. We'll be drawing the front elevation next. So go line, okay. Then we want a 30-degree line for the center line. So we're going to go to the center line there. We're going to go line, enter. Then we're going to represent the pipe. So we're going to draw a line. Enter. Going to extend. All right, so here we have the front elevation. We're going to draw another line projecting down from this point. I'm going to trim. All right. I'll remove this line. All right. So there is our front elevation for a pipe. All right, so we can Draw the outline there. Okay. Now we're gonna turn on our construction layer. All right. Now what we're gonna do, there are two pipes, right? So at the end here, we're gonna draw a arc. So we have this, divide this semicircle into six equal parts. So we go line, draw, I'm gonna draw this construction semicircle also on the pipe in the plan view, right? So if I was to label, this would be, for example, pipe A, and this one would be pipe B. Okay, all right. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw, so we're gonna extend this line. So we're gonna draw the semicircle on this line. This line is 90 degrees to the center line, and the angle for the center line relative to the horizontal base would be 30 degrees. Let us number this one first. All right, so this is 1, 2, 3, so 6, 6, 8, 5, 10, 12. All right. So the other points on the circle in the plan view, right here, we're gonna label here. This would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? And then 11 would be here. 12, 1 would be here. 2 would be here. 3 would be here. Okay? All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna project these lines at a 30-degree angle going in this direction. So we're gonna use our default layer. We're gonna draw a line from here, from this point to this point. Enter. All right, that's a construction line. Then we're gonna copy this line. I'm gonna copy it there, 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 and there. Enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna extend these lines, okay? So it would be this line. I'm gonna extend this one. All right. Now I'm gonna draw lines in a plan view from these points, right? So this would be another line. Enter. Line. Enter. Line. Enter. Line. Enter. Line. Enter. All right, I'm gonna trim off these lines, those construction lines. Good. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna project lines coming down wherever these lines intersect this circle, which is the plan view for pipe A. We're gonna draw lines coming down. So we're gonna go line. This would be this point coming down there, enter. This point coming down, enter. This point coming down, enter. This point coming down, enter. All right. Now these 2 points, these 3 points will be at the back, while these points which I plotted a while ago will be at the front. Right? So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm going to carry those lines down also. So we're gonna go line, this point, there. We're gonna carry down this point also, this line. Enter. I'm gonna go line, that point. We carry it down. There, enter. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna plot the points, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go. All right, so the first point would be this second line coming down. So the first point would be, this line would have to be extended. This line coming down from there would have to be extended so that it can intersect. So what this line all right. So I think it's all right. So it's this one coming down. This one coming down. That would be the intersection right there for one. Let me show you. There is one, this line, which is the second line from this line, right? So we go down, the second line coming down, right? So where this yellow line intersects the second line, that is one. So we can actually we know that that is the point there for one. So let us, so that's one. All right. Let's look at two now. Where's two? Two. So two is coming down here. The second one coming down. And two would be this one coming down. So it's where this line intersects that line, right? That would be the point. So it would be this one coming down right there. All right. All right. The third point, three is coming down. Three, this line, and three is coming down there. It would be right there. Okay. All right. Let's look at four now. So four is coming down. Here is this line here coming down. Four, four coming down here. So it's right there. Okay. And five is here. It's coming down there. This line, vertical line. Five is coming on a 30-degree angle. It's right there. Okay. So now at six. So six is coming down where it intersects the circle in the plan for the circle that represents the vertical pipe A. Where it intersects the circle gonna come down. So this is six. Six is there, so it's right here. Right? Then now we need seven. Right? So we're gonna look and see where seven is. Right, seven is this one. So seven is seven is the second line coming down, right? Which would be this line. Okay? So if we trace it, seven, seven is the second line coming down, and seven is this line here. So it's where, right? So the second line coming down, which is um right, which is this one, where that line intersects this line, that is where point seven would be. So what we can do, we can extend this line. All right, enter. And we can actually know that that is the point. It's right here. Enter. All right. Now we're gonna do point. We're gonna plot the points for eight now. So eight is this one. This line coming down. And let us see from the plan which one would it be. So 7, 8. 8 would be this one. Do we have a line coming down for 8? Let's look and see. Yes, we have a line coming down for 8. It's this one. It's the outer line, okay? So it's the outer one. It's this one. Yes, so we're gonna trace it. We're gonna go down. Right, so 8 is the outer one. There is 8 here. Right, so 8 is this one coming down. It's outer line, so it's right there. All right, so let's put a point there. It would be right there. Okay? Then we're gonna do 9. So 9 is this one coming down at a 30-degree angle to the horizontal. So 9 will be this one. So 9 will be this line coming down, okay? Which is this one coming down. Let's trace it. So it would be the third line from the left. All right, so 9 is coming down. Actually put a point there. Third line from the left. 1, 2, 3, it's right here. Okay? Then we're gonna do 10. 10 is this one coming down. Let us go up to the top. Look for 10, right? 10 is this middle one, is this one coming down. This one. Okay? So if we trace it, it's right there. So let us put a point there. So 10 coming down, 10 is there, it's this one. It's right here. Right here. All right? Then we're gonna do 11. So 11 would be this line coming down, right? Which is the second one from this line to the right, all right? So let us trace that. Second line from this line here. So 9 coming down here. The second line from the left is that one. So 9, 9. 9 is coming down there. And 9 is the second one. 9. That one coming down. So let us put a point there. So 9 is second one. The second one from this line. So the second one from that line. So 9. What should be here? 9. Yes, that's 9. Then 10. 10. Good. And then 11. 11, we need 11. So where's 11? 11 is this line coming down, right? That's 11. So 11 coming down here will be right there. So we can actually put a point here. So it's this line coming down 11. So we can go. It's this one, 11 coming down right there. Right there. And then 12. 12 is this one. 12 will be this line coming down, which will be the outer line, okay? So the outer line could be 12. Let us see if we can pick up 12 here. Right, so 12 is this one coming down as the outer line. So let us put a point here, the outer line. So we're gonna go outer line, which is right there. All right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna connect these points. This line here, we'd have to trim it out. This would be a construction line, but for the intersection, this line would actually trim it out, right? So we're gonna go to our outline, and we're gonna go to spline here, and we're gonna start, right? So we go there, 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 there. Good. Then it's gonna come around there. This will be the other side that is not visible in the front elevation. It will be a hidden detail line. There, 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 and you're going to come back to this point. Enter. All right. So let us trim out this line here for the line of intersection. This line, which was the original edge for the cylinder, we'll have to trim it out. So this line, we'll have to trim out this line. All right. So I'm gonna trim this line. So trim this one. Trim, trim, trim. If it was a if we, because we had darkened it up before, if it was a construction line, it could stay. All right, it's gone. Okay, good. Right. So what we're gonna do now, we're actually gonna draw this line of intersection at the back in hidden details, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna break, okay? Here we have the intersection that is formed when the two pipes of different diameters intersect at a 30 degree. This brings us to the end of the video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of an Archimedean spiral. So thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.